Maybe it's time we give that some love. Yeah, I think I want to start working on that hood. My son just does not have the time. He's always working, and when his days are off, the weather just turns to crap. It's just no luck. So I think I'm gonna start patching that hood up. Yeah, I can't watch this hood rot no more. I'm gonna try, even though it's windy as hell. I don't know if it'll let me weld. I'm gonna try to shut this door some on it and then see if I can get around some of this wind. But I want to fix this right here. I'm gonna just take all this Bondo off right here and do something about this, because it's been driving me crazy since I uncovered it. I don't know, back in the 80s, restoration, it didn't mean like put panels in and weld things right. It meant throw more Bondo on it. Prime example of a 1980s restoration. But I'm going to try to take care of that and see if I can take care of some of this today. And then I'll work my way down the hood and on the other side. And there's a patch I got to put on the door. That's what I'm dealing with. I mean, instead of knocking the dent out and putting a weld in where that seam is cut open, they just threw more and more Bondo on this thing. And I mean, it's so bad you can't even get the grill in there. But yeah, what we're gonna do is try to pound that out from the inside a little bit, and then try to bend these where they're supposed to go and see what I can do with this corner. What a mess. The dent that was here, there's a dent all through here, it's out. I just got to put a weld into here. I mean, I could probably hit that a little more, but I am not getting into it that deep. But I could probably, yeah, I'm just going to put a weld up into here. This is straighter. That's got little goofies on it, but I'm going to first take all the rest of this Bondo off, and then try, and I got this so that it's actually going in instead of whatever the hell else it was doing. But I'm going to take the Bondo off and then go from there. Yep, there she is in her glory. Wondering how much crap she'd get on her body. Grind the crap out of that and see what happens next. Make sure the house ain't on fire. Yeah, here we are. Looks pretty good. I mean, it's got a dent. I gotta knock the dent out. At least the crack's gone. I covered it a little bit. There's no Bondo in it. That's just primer. But all in all, I think that worked out pretty good. I'll knock the dent up from the other side and finish, and I got to resize this hole because it's still got a gap. Now back to the Roadrunner.